Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome once again. In this tutorial we'll create spring theme borders. Spring theme borders make the worksheet more attractive and wonderful. These borders are placed at the margin. I have these different kinds of spring related images: kites, flowers, butterflies and grass. So I will now create a rectangle. This is rectangle and I will convert it in stroke. This is the margin, and I have another video in which I have shown the size or of this margin. So you can watch this video and know how can you create your own margins in Adobe Illustrator. So I have pasted these different kinds of flowers here. These are of different colors, and these are not so complex. These are just simple flowers. You can get any color and arrange them equally spaced. And now I am creating these little stems. You can create any size, any direction. You can make the circular ones, curly ones and anything. Now I am changing the colors as well. Just copy paste sometime, and that's how we are done with our top side. Now I copy this, right click and go to transform, rotate, and I will rotate it to 90 degree. It is 90 degree rotated, and now I will place it at the right side, adding two more to make sure there is no empty space at the right side. Now I'll copy this whole line to left side. I mean, that was the right side, and that was the left one, and this one is right. Sorry. So this is our first border. Now we'll move to the next one. Now I will use these clouds to create the border. These are different in sizes. I am creating sky here, sky with clouds. So I have placed these clouds downward. Now I am creating a small rectangle. It covers only half or like 30% of the clouds, and now I'll send it to back, and that's how it makes the sky. The upper side is like now balanced, and the clouds are the same. Okay, now I am pasting these grass and flowers. I have pasted the flowers. Now I am copy pasting and changing the direction. By right click, go to transform and reflect, decrease the size, copy these butterflies, make them smaller and add them over the flowers. Can add bees as well. Now I'm thinking to add these bees on the sky as well, but I think birds are fine. So I've created these birds hurriedly, and now I want to utilize kites as well. Let's delete these extra images, and it looks fine. I have deleted the border, that rectangle which I used as margin. Now the next border will use kites. So I just right click, go to transform and reflect to change their direction. Some are inwards and some are outwards. Now I will create kind of thread. So change the color. Now it's pink in color. Go to stroke, press dotted line and you can select any point, like it can be 9 point, 7 point, 8 point. So I think I have selected 4 point, and now it has become dotted line. You can copy this dotted line downward, and we can create small dotted lines at the sides as well. Copy them between different kites, change their color, and make sure they are still dotted. Now will create these small circles of 3 different sizes. I am just pasting them same color circles. These are in magenta color. Once you have pasted all the magenta color circle, then you can select 2 to 3 different 2 to 3 circles from different spots and change their color. I have forwarded this, but you can see I'm changing the colors of these different circles. So I'm done with this. Now I have taken this rectangle and made sure that it is touching the end of the page and change the color of that rectangle. Now it is blue in color. You can change it for other work.